Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, it's that time of the month. This time of the month. It is time to unbox my March Boxycharm, and I did take a little sneak peek in here. This is probably one of my favorite boxes I've gotten in a long time. I'm very excited about the products I got in here. Very excited to show them to you guys. So, without further ado, let's get started, but do not forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you are alerted when I post future videos. All right, let's get started. Again, I know if you've seen the last video, you know that the mess behind me, I am packing and I'm moving. I will be out of this house March 26th, so just about a week away almost. Very, very excited about it. But the mess behind me is going to be there because I have to pack those cords. I have a pile of boxes over here that is taller than me, and it is so stressful. It is so stressful. I had a bunch of other videos planned for you guys for the month of March, and unfortunately, because I have to pack the majority of my makeup, they're not really gonna happen. I was going to do like a green St. Patrick's Day look. I still might do it. It might just be after the fact. I won't call it a St. Patrick's Day look. I'll just call it a green look. But without further ado, let's take a look in the box because I am very excited. Very excited for a new filming setup too. This window right here is a pain. I am hoping that in my new filming location I will have better lighting, or at least more room to get a ring light. So it looks like the card is St. Patrick's Day themed. Love that. The first thing in here that I was so excited to get is this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizer. What? I gotta open this bad boy right now. Look at the cute little jar. It is a moisture cream banana souffle. I'm so excited to see if it smells like banana. But it says a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It is good for sensitive skin, blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. It is your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin. Wow, do I need that? And it is $39. I've had a couple things from Glow Recipe before and I loved it. I never had any of their moisturizers. It has a banana scent that I love. So I'm just going to... Ooh, has a really weird texture. I put way too much. In the jar, it has a very interesting texture. It's kind of... I hesitate to say the word solid because it's not solid at all, but it has like a density to it that I was not expecting. And then when you rub it in, it like melts. Feels so good. My skin is always so dry. Chia seeds are very good for you. I don't know if they're good for your skin. I'm sure they are. They wouldn't be in here. But my mom has really bad stomach issues with like acid reflux and things like that. Chia seeds are like a superfood for her. I have a really, really dry patch right here. All right, I'm gonna let this soak into my skin for a few minutes and I will be back to show you what else I got. All right, it has been a few minutes and it has sunk into my skin and it feels so great. Very excited for this. I'm going to move on to the next thing in my box, and it is this Rose Water Setting Spray by Maven Beauty. It looks like that. Oh, it's a unique little bottle. I like this. I love the packaging. You don't often see like colorful packaging like this, so I love when I see it. It says makeup setting spray. Let's read, shall we? Set your intentions and your makeup with this aura lifting antioxidant packed with rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. It says it's a new launch and it's for $22. It doesn't really have a rose smell. No rose smell almost at all, even though I do like a rose smell. But we will try that on. Next, we just have this Hold and Control BDB Billion Dollar Brows Clear Brow Gel. And it says this flake-free formula sets in seconds with a gentle hold to keep your eyebrows in place and on point. And it's $18. I feel like that's steep for a brow gel. Let me put this bad boy in. I'm not going to do my brows with like color because they need to be done with like a thread because I get them threaded. It's just been a while, okay? Don't hate on them. Don't hate on them. Oh, the spoolie is huge, which I don't really love. I mean, it's not going to do anything other than hold them in place, so I don't really know why I'm doing this, but I can't give that one a fair shot. So we're going to move right on. The next thing in this palette is this Venus 3 from Lime Crime. You guys know how I feel about purple, and well, this speaks to my soul. I love the way this looks. I have never tried Lime Crime eyeshadow before. I have a lip gloss, which I love. And it says, this palette is filled with rapturous lilac, rose gold mauve, and earthy brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself for $38. You already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to try it on for you guys, and we will see. I'm going to do something relatively simple. I don't want something crazy. I have to meet with somebody in a little while to sell my washer since I'm moving, and I don't want to look like a full beat queen since I'm just sitting at home. So I'm going to do something relatively simple and light, not to mention I don't have much product or tools to help me get the job done. So I will show you guys in a sped up version of what I'm going to do, but it's not going to be much. But I will come back with my final thoughts very shortly. All right, so the mattes in here worked great. I loved it's called Dreamy, this light kind of lilac purple, and Bliss. Those two mattes on the top and bottom I think were fabulous. They blended out really great. This Rapture color changed my eye look. I know you can't really tell on camera, but in person, in the mirror, yeah, it definitely changed it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish my face, put foundation on, concealer, do the do, so that way this doesn't look as crazy, add some mascara, and then we will be back and we will talk a little bit more, and I'll give you some more thoughts on this. But it's about 50-50 right now. I wasn't too fond of the shimmers. All right, that is makeup done. Full face on except lips, and I like how it all comes together. I like how my eyes look. Now that it's all finished, it looks more cohesive. But this palette, I'm indifferent about, okay? The shimmers are not good. And I feel like shimmers are way easier to get right than mattes, and especially purples and reds. And the purple and red, or like this lilac and this deeper like pink, blends it out so beautiful on my eyes. I love how it looks. But these three shimmers are like, first of all, they're dry in this pan. I don't know. There's nothing super spectacular about them. My e.l.f. eyeshadows in my Retro Paradise palette shine, perform. They're creamy, and that's like $18. This is $38, and it's not as good. Like, I can confidently say this is not as good as that. So I'm happy to have it. I've never tried anything by Lime Crime, and I love how it looks, so it will be used. And I love purple, so I will get some use out of it, even if it's just for those mattes. But it could be better. It could be better. Let's give one final spritz of this. I like this. It's just a standard setting mist. It has a good mister. It does not have a scent. Well, it does, but it's not like scented. It just smells like setting spray. It smells very similar to the NYX setting spray, and I think it's good. I like the packaging. The last thing in the box is this Cab lip oil, and doesn't that look like the juiciest? I like that's so delicious looking. I don't know. I love how that looks. And it says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable juicy lips all day long, and it is $20. I think this looks so delicious. Like, this just looks like summer to me for some reason. Oh, I know why. You know those, like, everyone calls them something different, but like push pops, they come in like a big sheet and you rip one off. They're in like little plastic. For some reason this looks just like that to me, and it is a lip oil, so it's not gonna have much color. Ooh, it's thick, coconut scented. Oh my god, this tastes exactly like, well, I guess not taste, or maybe, oh, first of all, I love how it feels. It is so thick and beautiful. It tastes 150,000% like a pina colada Slurpee from 7-Eleven. It has that coconut, that pineapple Oh my gosh. It is a crazy scent. It smells just like that. Like, it's crazy. I can't stop putting it on. My lips are so dry. It's like a blanket on my lips. Love this. Love that lip oils are in style. Wow, this is really good. Wow. All right, everyone, it is time for my final thoughts, and I love this box. I mean, there's definitely a little bit of misses. Like, this is not a miss, but it's not the best, and wherever I put the eyebrow gel, it's just a boring product. But I love this. Like, this is so exciting to get this Glow Recipe moisturizer. That's amazing. I like this setting spray. It's kind of boring too, but I love a good setting spray. Never tried lime crime, so even though it's not the best, I'm excited to have it. And this lip oil is the best thing in the box, in my opinion, by far. It feels so good on my lips. I'm like amazed. It feels amazing. And the overall total for this box is $137, so I paid $20 for it. For $137 worth of product in there, that's amazing. I paid $22 for it. So once again, Boxycharm hits the nail right on the head and gives me everything that I want. And you know I have a love-hate relationship with Boxycharm if you've been here a while, but the last few boxes have been magnificent. That is it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. But before you go, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. That way you're alerted when I post future videos. Bye.